Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to clean out my shed because it's a mess and I didn't sleep well, so I got just a couple of hours, and after that I kind of crashed, and now it's 11:30 a.m. My god. Anyway, we're going to work. So I've cleaned the shed, and now I'm going to be doing this. All this junk. It needs to go on the internet, and I need to get rid of it because I don't have place for it anymore. It has to go, and when I'm moving to France, I only want to fill it up with all the construction materials I need, and all the equipment. So this has to go on the internet, and hopefully somebody will buy it. I sold a few already, but as you can see, it's a lot already, and I need to fix that. Oh, and this week the pipe for going through the roof is coming in, so I'll be working on that also. And the new windows are going to arrive. It's the front windows, side windows, and two other side windows. So I will be installing them. It's going to be a busy week. Yeah.